This customer's shower was draining slowly, and when I pulled the drain grate off, this is what I found. So I'm going to be using my rigid flex shaft to try to clean this line out because the chains on this thing should clean the pipe wall to wall. Let's see how well this thing actually works. As far as this drain goes, I'm not exactly sure on how it got as bad as it is. This customer does have a water softener and it was working properly, so I don't know if this was all actually scale buildup or a bunch of other stuff mixed in. Either way, it doesn't really matter at this point though, because this flex shaft is going right through it. It did clutch out a few times, but that's probably for me trying to force it through. With drain cleaning, you gotta be patient sometimes and try to work with things instead of just forcing it through. I've seen numerous plumbers get cables stuck in drain lines before because they're trying to force it through a stoppage and it ends up being a break in the line and they push the cable through the break into the ground. Having to abandon a drain cable inside a drain line is definitely not what you want to do. Let me know if you have any interesting drain cleaning stories or if you've used this flex shaft and what your experience is with it. So far for me, it's been working great. As always, let me know what y'all think.